do it again?
Get on, girl. Get on, girl. Okay. 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay. It's starting. 3, 2, 1. Whoa. I did not see this. Whenever you want to turn, just lean. You know what that means, right? Yes, but no, but move. Okay, I hope you know what lean means. It means lean this way, lean that way. Okay, move. No, you have to sit down. Here, I'll put you up. No, stop it. Okay. I want to sit. Does this not work? It doesn't work because this is the backyard. Okay, I'll get this keeper somewhere else.
Where are you taking it?
I'm going to get Scooby out.
Where are you taking it around?
Outside. This is outside.